Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to show you this brand new 6-finger gamepad controller for PUBG. This is called a 6-finger gamepad, as you can see right in the top left corner, because you can use 6-finger while you are playing. As you can see, it says PUBG mobile controller and is very useful. We have some instruction here, easy to use, and the instruction to put your phone in the case, and we have here a sample how you can use it. This controller is very simple. We showed you before another controller that was a controller with a fan to cool down your phone. This controller is very simple. It doesn't have a fan to cool your phone. It doesn't have any other special thing, but the 6-finger makes this controller special. You can see in the back, 2 of your fingers goes right here and these 2 goes right here, so you can see how it sits right when you pull it. So this controller is very good made, and we are going to test it immediately without losing any time. Let's go ahead and grab our phone right here that is with PUBG activated. You can see now the phone it's in the controller. It sits really good. You can see the back, and to make this work we have to go here to controls, customize, and now what we have to do is very simple. We just have to put the shooting one right here, aiming in the left corner, and now we can use those 2, as it says in the box. These are called peek and fire. We can put the left one right here, that's great, and the right one right there. Press save, and you can see now it's saved. Let's get back to the game, start the game, and see how it works. As you can see, we have the controls right here. You can see 2 of peek and fire, aim and shoot. So let's pull these back, and now you get why it's called 6 fingers. We have 2 right here and we have 2 thumbs, so you can control like this. So for example, you can aim, peek and fire in the left side or the right side and shoot. You can do same in the other side. For example, peek and fire on the left side, shoot. And that's the benefit of this controller. You can access to or play with 6-finger in the same time. So guys, this was all for today's video in this 6 fingers controller. If you have any question, suggestion about this controller, comment down below and we will try to help you. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.